Howdy, y'all. We are working on siphoning the gas out of tractor number 4 and the generator. Howdy, y'all. May 14th. Just getting off work. Going over here to the farm, see what I can get into. I think Dad done run off already. Emily, she done beat me over here. Her and I were still going to ride some tractor. We'll go over here. I got some filters for the 1066, so I'm going to put them in. I don't know where they're at. Dad might have carried them over here. Go over here and see if I can find them. Put the 1066 back together. 55 won't start. Surprise, surprise. So I don't know. Some modular something in there that hooks in that fuel relay or some stupid thing that goes bad. I don't know. But it don't start, so I don't know. They say I can find one somewhere, cheaper than you can get one at New Holland, all that stuff. I just want the tractor to work. I don't have time to go to New Holland. I don't even know which one of the things that's bad. And I don't even know how to test it because they're both completely different. I don't know. Let's do something. Well, here's my filter. But where's the other one? I don't know. We'll investigate. Hey, so for all the people that were mad at me about the filter, look, we got brand new filters. Let's hopefully they're the right ones this time, because the last ones were not the right ones. So they looked right. Let's see if they fit in here. Then we can put our tractor back together. Then we can get on back to work. We did clean this one out though. It still looks pretty rookie. But that is an original filter from September '76. So, and then this one is from August of 1978. So, yeah, that's right. Come out of there. And this filter looks pretty good to me. Well, let's put this down. That's what the inside of that one looks like. A little dirty, but it's all good. All right. So, I ordered these from Fleet Filters out of Texas. And they sent them to me. And they took the small one out of the box and put it inside of the big one. If we could do this one-handed. Hold on a minute. Well, they put up a fight, but we got it in there. Bubba behind me is just making so much racket. He's a very noisy Bubba. All right. All back together. Brand new filters. Now we need to put the hood back on. Hopefully we still got the bolts. These are antique filters now. They're antique filters now. Well, y'all, Harvester is on his tractor and he is heading out the driveway. You can't see him now because the grass is too tall, but he is steady getting it. I hear him, he stopped. He's waiting on Mama to go with him. He wants to ride his tractor all the way out the driveway again, like he did the other day. Me, I'm just sitting here putting a little bit of gas in the truck. Ben's, I pumped it out of the tractors. So the other day, we sucked the gas out of that generator, which was old. We sucked a little bit of gas out of the 400, which was old. We sucked the gas out of the H, which was new, but the bowl is leaking, so there's no sense of losing it. We skipped over this one. Let's go the other way. So we sucked all the gas out of this one, which was quite a lot. It's been in there for a couple years now. We already took the gas out of that one. This one here has got bad gas in it. I'm pretty sure it's empty. This one we need to work on. We dumped like 3 gallons in that one the other day. Sucked all the gas out of this one. This one was almost full. And sucked a couple gallons out of this one. This gas here was good. I put it in there last year. This gas was put in there last year. Beginning of last year or somewhere in there. But this one needs a radiator. That one needs a radiator. This one needs tires. The gray one back there needs to be gotten running. This one runs. That could run. Hasn't run in years. Somebody lost the key. This one has a carburetor problem. I lost the parts. And I got new parts. I just haven't put it back together yet. But it was time to get all that old gas out of there. Since we were having this whole gas shortage for like a week. My truck needed gas. There was none around town. So, you know, it ain't hurt nothing. Come home, suck the gas out of these old tractors. I wanted to do it anyways. Because, you know, some of them have been sitting in there for quite a while. I still have like 4, or is it 5? 3, 4 or 5 in the other shed that I could suck the gas out of. I just got something in my finger. It's really irritating me. We'll figure it out. But, so, I just put some of the old gas in the truck there. There's, all the gas stations now have gas again. Went up last night, filled Emily's car. But, I'll dump the old gas in the truck. I'll burn it up. Driving back and forth to work. I got a whole bunch of gas in the dump truck over here. But I don't know if I don't have the right siphoner to get that out. So maybe we'll do that later. Right now the truck's full of gas, so we'll wait till next week, suck some more out. And then when we need some, we'll just dump some more back in. You know, get rid of the old, replace it with new. You know, it's time to do it anyways. Even if we did have this whole situation going on right now. Yeah, so the hydraulic hoses are no good. I'm not quite sure how to tell. It's kind of hard to tell. It's kind of hard to tell if the hydraulic hoses are good. Yeah. Well, I don't think it got on the wife's car. But I'm wearing it. So I think I'm going to unhook this and yeah, I'll get some new hoses. What do y'all think? Y'all think that's a good idea? I'm still unsure of it. I mean, like, my leg is completely soaking wet. Yeah, so, well, y'all, driving home in my underwear because I don't feel like getting a hold of the seat. I sponged off as much as I could. Go home, take a shower. Oh, the things that happen. At least it wasn't black oil. I've been covered in black oil before too. So, y'all like and subscribe. It's interesting. It's an interesting day. Catch y'all later.